Let's look at the 60-minute chart now. All right, you got even tighter consolidation. You see bouncing right here against the 29. Bouncing. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. It's going to break this 29. It's going to go. My prediction. BMY. Excuse me for the burp. BMY. $29. I'm putting it on my watch list to get in. I hope you do too. MU, Micron Technologies. In Barron's this weekend. I'm going to give you a little Barron's update. I don't have the Barron's link with me, but if you're interested in looking at Barron's, they say Barron's that Micron is set up for the big play in nano flash memory and stuff. I have a drink here, so excuse me for the slapping of my lips. But this is the daily chart. I still think you're in pretty low here. And that's what I like to find, low stocks. I mean, I wish I could be in all these low stocks. We got a double bottom right here. We're starting to break out. If you missed the breakout here, this big move from $10 to $11.50, $10.50, you missed the point here. We got a little pullback, so you got half that back. I would consider getting in half position here. I would even, if you don't, I'm saying you're playing with a couple $1,000s or whatever. Get in 50 shares here. I'm definitely thinking you're going to get another dollar move out of this one up to $12.50 within the next couple of weeks. A dollar move, I don't know, 50 shares, $50 is not a big deal and stuff, but I'm just saying, minimally, if you want to start breaking into like stocks, this is a low risk trade, high reward trade. I mean, we got a $14 here a few months back in July, so we have a potential retesting this eventually. Right now we're $11, so we have $3 on this. Get yourself 500 shares. You have $5,000 to blow? You're not going to blow it. Get yourself 500 shares. You got $1,500 in 3 months. So that's $500 a month. All right? I don't know when it's square. It's in 3 months time. I'm not saying it's going to get up there in 3 months. But you know what I'm talking about. It's always good income when you get something nice and low like here is a good company. Any kind of breakdown between this, there's got to be some pretty serious bad news. So this one's a good stock. I love this area. I'm probably going to pick up 100 shares tomorrow in the open on this one. This one might actually pull back to 1075. I don't think anything lower than that. This is a good stock. This is a good one on the watch list. I'm very proud to bring you this one. Marvell, 60-minute chart, consolidation, and pop-up. Another cheap one. This one's been in the news recently. Here's the daily chart of it. It's also a very cheap stock. We have a little double bottom here. I like to bring you these cheap stocks to put on the watch list. But we also have a great downward trend line here, which I really like. Because we're hitting 1, 2, 3 times. And we're consolidating right at the top of this trend line here. So it looks like we're going to go. There's so many good stocks. I'm running out of money to get into these things. So it's hard. You got to put them all on your watch list. Put them all on your quote tracker. I put this one on as a higher high. I'd actually put this one, if this one, probably put it above 1680 or whatever this high is here, 1675. This the high bar here. And that would be breaking out. And I would say we're going to be going higher, probably to $18. So, there's another play. 100 shares, $100. You get into each of these very light, 100 shares each. And you're picking up $100 each. So if you have like $10,000, you get 100 shares here, 100 shares there. You have 5 or 6 stocks with 100 shares, and they're all moving a point. You get $500 or $600 a week. It's not bad. You're building your account up. You're doing whatever you have to do. You can afford more, you get more. But you're keeping it a low risk, high reward return. You know where I'm going with this. Alchemy, I got in on Friday, and this nice little bump. I really like this one. I already went over it. It must be the margaritas hidden. Apple computers. I'm not even going to say anything more about that. I pushed that so much. I think Apple's going to 200 eventually. Honestly, these guys have the golden touch. They're going to announce toilet paper, and it's going to go up 20 points. Garmin. Just wanted to say that momentum stocks are momentum stocks. It doesn't matter when you are. You get in a momentum stock, it's going to run. Look at this. Back in July, $69, now $119. Talk about momentum. you know, once you get it into a little uptrend here, like, you know, you got gap ups day after day. You have a few pullbacks, but then you have gap ups. I don't know if this is the top of the market and we're going to pull back here. I'm not saying get in Garmin, but I'm just saying when a stock is running, it's worth taking a position overnight, even if it's $50, 50 shares. And we get a 2.3 point gap up, that's $150 right away. You're not wasting a day trade if you're trading under 25 grand. You know, you're not even wasting a day trade. So take this in consideration. And there it is, a blank screen. I'm out of here. I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right? I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment on the videos. Let me know what you think. I know I'm wasting a lot of time here, but spread the word also. I like to get some more viewers here. Good night, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it.